Good morning, Falcons. Today we're going to start some new learning. We're going to work on some of the first steps towards 3D printing. I brought my new 3D printer that was given to us up at the school. I brought it to my house, and I thought I might be able to get you guys learning how to 3D print some stuff. Today's lessons, some short starter lessons that are probably take you about 20-25 minutes to get through them all. There's 7 little tiny lessons that kind of show you how to use the program, how to move things around, how to look around, how to duplicate, and how to place them in different places. Anyway, take a look at them. Got some instructions coming up. There is a document attached to the instructions today that has your password and your student or your ID for the program today. So take a look at those. Log into tinkercad.com and try out the starter lessons. We'll see where we can go from there. I think there's going to be some good potential here. And as you see, I have my new 3D printer here, and I will get that set up and ready for us so that when you come up with your genius ideas, we can get them printed. Good morning, engineers. Today we're going to start learning how to use Tinkercad. So to do that, to begin with, we're going to log into Tinkercad. So you're going to go and go into your Google search, and you're going to type in Tinkercad, Tinkercad. And this is the company we're going to go to, so tinkercad.com. And you're going to have to sign in. I've already created it all for you. Students, join your class. And you're going to type in the passcode that I gave you. And please don't give that passcode to other people, because there's some weirdos out there. So I'm going to put it in here, but I'm going to skip past it. It's on the document in your assignment. It's at the top of the page. And once you've gone in, you're going to go to, you're going to type in your nickname, and it's on that same document that I gave you. It's just one word, so that's your nickname. Most of the time it's your first name. And so mine's Meason, and no space afterwards. And it logs me in. So I'm not going to create a new design, although we could. We could do 3D designs, circuits, code blocks. They haven't quite got that up to date yet. And then there's some lessons we can work on. But to begin with, we're going to start with Learn over here in the top right corner. So we click on Learn, and we're in 3D. I don't want to go into circuits or code blocks. I want to stay in 3D. And we're going to be doing these starters. So I'm going to see all starters. And there's 7 of them. And these 7 I would like you to work on today. They're not real long. It should probably take you about maybe 20 minutes to go through all 7 of these. They're not that difficult. So the first one, I'm going to do it here with you, and you can see how fast it goes. It gives you instructions here. See the orange shape on the plane. That's the hint to help you out. Find the box in the shapes panel. So I come over here and find the box, click and drag it out and put it on the orange shape. And there it is. Next. The next slide said, congratulations, you're finished. Then you hit finish, and then you hit continue, and it will continue on to the next activity. And it goes on to your next activity. And so this is View It, which is the activity number 2. And you're just going to follow through and follow what it says to do step by step. There are 4 steps here that you can go through. I'm going to go ahead and exit the lesson, and I'm going to let you figure out what you're doing there. And as you do it, if I go back to my home page, As you're creating these lessons, they will show up in the Learn tab at the top of the screen. I will also be able to see them on my view of the classroom. And here's the lessons, and I can see what you're doing. This is one of my 8th graders who was helping me out. And under lessons, you'll be able to see the work. I go back to my classes, click on me, go to lessons, and I can see that I started working on view it, and I have completed place it. And that's what you're looking to do. That is the activity for today. Try to get through all 7 of those introduction starter lessons. There's just 7 of them, so it shouldn't be that difficult. Email me if you have questions. We'll talk with you later.